Witnesses say ICE agents were waiting outside a Dallas immigration court detaining some accused illegal immigrants after their hearings. Similar arrests are being reported in other cities, too.
Here for you, the news leader, Fox 4.
Witnesses say ICE agents were waiting outside immigration courts in Dallas to detain illegal immigrants showing up for their hearings.
Similar arrests have apparently occurred over the last few days in Miami and in Phoenix. Fox 4's Casey Stiegel in studio tonight to explain. Casey.
Yeah, Steve, Heather, good evening. An immigration lawyer right here in North Texas tells me that she personally witnessed ICE agents wearing street clothes detain at least 3 people in the hallway outside an immigration courtroom in Dallas, which means Dallas now joins an expanding list of U.S. cities where federal agents are arresting migrants as they show up for their hearings. A trap. That's how numerous immigration rights advocates describe the latest tactic being used by the federal government to nab migrants in the country illegally at some of the nation's immigration courts.
These are individuals trying to do it the right way, go to their court hearings, apply for any relief they have. And now, instead of being able to go through their court hearings, they're getting removed.
Susham M is a former law professor, now immigration lawyer in North Texas. He's not the one who witnessed the ICE operation inside the Dallas Federal Building this week, but he is expressing concern over how this is playing out.
There are constitutional rights, like the right to due process. It's a way for the government to quickly deport somebody without a court hearing. What's unprecedented about this is they had the court hearing, and then those cases are trying to be dismissed.
While earlier this week in Phoenix, protesters gathered outside an immigration court as ICE agents in that city effectuated similar enforcement operations over the course of 2 days, according to our sister station, KSAZ. One attorney told our affiliate his Venezuelan client had just appeared before a judge, his case terminated, and with an appeal in hand, he was captured.
We just had planned everything and we're okay, ready, break, and then he, walked right into the arms of these federal agents.
Legal analysts say even though courts can be deemed sensitive places like schools, hospitals, and churches, they're not totally off limits.
Expedited removal was only used almost historically close to the border, within 100 miles of the border. It's only been recently expanded by the Trump administration.
The U.S. Department of Homeland Security released a statement to Fox 4, reading in part, quote, ICE is now following the law and placing these illegal aliens in expedited removal as they always should have been, adding those with valid credible fear claims will continue in immigration proceedings. So similar enforcement operations at immigration courts have also been reported in cities like Miami, New York, and Seattle. Legal scholars do believe it will eventually be challenged in court. Steve, Heather.
All right, Casey Stiegel in studio. Thank you.